What do you think this means really for immigration in this country? That someone can be deported to not their country of origin, they can be deported to some random country that they have no ties with.
I think everybody's watching. I think that the Trump administration's popularity is at an all-time low precisely because of moves like this, separating families, sending people to third countries, making up charges against them. These are all things that everybody is watching. They're on every news outlet, and it's not going in Trump's favor. And that's why we see them do things like attempt to redistrict before the midterms. I think that the court of public opinion is going to help this play out. And unfortunately for Kilmar, he is the poster child for the movement, and he suffers through it. But I don't think Americans are going to stand for this. This is just not who we are as a nation. And we're not going to stand by and watch someone like him get deported to Uganda. It's absolutely absurd. It's unacceptable.
Do you think that because he is what you're describing as the poster child, that the Trump administration is going to throw the book at him? Because I want to read something that Attorney General Pam Bondi said. She said this, quote, "He will no longer terrorize our country. He is currently charged with human smuggling, including children. The guy needs to be in prison. He doesn't need to be on the streets like all these liberals want him to be." Does that indicate to you then that this is more than just a fight about immigration? This is also a political fight then too? I mean, what do you make of that? Do you think that he's going to be made an example of by this administration?
Definitely, they are absolutely making an example of him. And it's a classic bully abuse scenario. I mean, if you think about someone who's in an abusive relationship and their partner does something wrong, but rather than admitting it and apologize, they double down and they ramp up the abuse. That's what the Trump administration is doing against Kilmar. And that's the thing that we all see clearly. And we're not falling for it. We know that those alien smuggling charges didn't contain evidence. We know that they are just doubling down to prove a point because they don't want to just admit that they were wrong. So, I mean, it's not going well for them in the court of public opinion. It just isn't.